Oh, here he is. Oh, boys.
Tell you what, this job's a pain.
Oh, look, first off, comes out with a shit joke. Guess who's back? Just on a slightly smaller scale this time. I just watch all your videos now every week, so there you go. So we managed to get the toilet in, and this is going to be the third one. See if it's the right one. A little can of black spray paint. That's I've done that elbow just for my own peace of mind. Right, hope you've all had a good week so far. I'm heading back today to the house renovation that we finished like a few weeks ago, just to do the downstairs cloakroom, the toilet, basin. They've got like a little antique looking corner unit that Dave's Grills, Dave the Chippy, he's back. He's got to cut apart a little bit and tweak and this, that and the other, and I've got a little bowl on the top. I call them noodle bowls, you know, them little tiny little hand bowl basins to go on the top. So we've got that to do, toilet to put in, rad to put on, and connect externally a waste pipe for that. So just heading over now. I've got that to do. Tuesday I'm not in because it's my my missus' birthday, so we're just going to pop out for the day, this, that and the other. So today's video, Wednesday, may be quite short because I wouldn't have been in Tuesday, if that makes sense. So we'll see how we get on. But yeah, I'm just literally just heading over there now to the house renovation. Yes, we're back here, back on this house renovation, just to fit in the back just a little cloakroom that we didn't do on the initial build. So Dave will be here somewhere. No, we've got the Chippy. Oh, here he is. All right, boys.
Tell you what, this job's a pain.
Oh, look, first off, comes out with the shit jokes. Right, so we've got basically we've cut the unit out ready to go in there, and the unit's going to sit there. It's like an old-fashioned antique sort of unit. So that's going to go in there. Dave the Chippy's trimmed it for the waste. Well, we'll trim it for the waste, trim it to get it in. Then we've got to go cold and 2 heating pipes running around the outside there to feed a rad that's on this wall. So we'll get the pipe work in, and then we can just trim around it where we need to, get the waste in, and then that can be fitted, and we can crack on with the rest of that and getting the sink unit in place and the toilet in. Guess who's back? Just on a slightly smaller scale this time. Dave Grills is back. You've all been wanting it. Right, so that's that unit in. Got the valves underneath there, the waste. What we'll do is we'll put a plinth or something across the back so you can't see it. It's connected underneath. I'm going to show you that because it doesn't look great under there, but it's serving a purpose. It'll be blocked off anyway. Heating pipes, cold pipe around there for the outside tap. Check valve on the outside tap outside before any YouTube heroes start. And we'll connect the toilet in here. So that's just about it done for today. I'll be back here on Wednesday, but it's quite nice coming today because I've obviously followed this job from the start, as a lot of you have seen watching the channel, but also Chloe and David, whose house it is, their father, I think it's Chloe's dad, he's over there cutting the lawn. He's obviously watched the process of the build on my YouTube channel of their house, but now he just said to me, I just watch all your videos now every week. So there you go, and he said to me, when it's quite funny because I work behind an office, you know, work behind a desk all day, I just enjoy watching you doing your thing. So that sort of worked quite well, and it's good that other people are watching it and enjoying it. So we'll be back here probably Wednesday just to finish that sink off, and some few little bits and bobs. So we managed to get the toilet in. Toilet's in and working. That's sorted. We've got the pipes up in the back and all are fixed off, ready for the tap to go on and the bowl to go on, which I'll do tomorrow. Outside tap in. I say a double check valve on the tap outside, and heating pipes are here. There's a rad going on this wall here. So heating pipes are in there, and yeah, we'll do that. So it's been a bit of a squeeze today. I've been in here. Dave and Chippy's been out here fitting this door. We've had to walk around the back to save coming through the house to get everything in. But no, we're getting there. Right, so we mocked up where that bowl's going to go and the tap's going to go. So what we'll do is we'll get the waste fitted into this bowl, cut out underneath exactly where it's going to go, and then slide that in, get the tap connected in. And then underneath here we've got to pick up a chrome waste just to go into there. So we'll get that marked up and drilled out. Right, there we go, put the waste in. As I've said before, I always bin off the washers because I just prefer putting the waste in with silicone, tightening it up so you know it's bang on. I've had it before, you put washers on and tighten them up and they just piss out underneath. So that's done. Right, we've got the old source set out, we've got the hole here, so we'll get that cut out, get the tap one cut out, get it connected underneath. So just been up to Screwfix, picked up one of these little 1.25" chrome decorative traps, and they come with a little pipe as well, to be fair, which will bang on. So all I'll do at the back here is put a mechanical elbow on, set that there, just so it looks a little bit, you know, more better than just a crappy white one, and the chrome pipe will go there, and then we'll put a board across the back there. Right, I just had a phone call off Adi at Plumbase. I've been waiting. I've fitted a bathroom a few, well, it's probably about 18 months ago now, 40 months ago. Anyway, the toilet seat's broke. It's for a mate of mine, the toilet seat's broke. So I said to him, right, I'll get you another toilet seat. Flew in, picked one up, took it around his house, wrong one. Brought it back, changed it for another one. Took it around his house, again, wrong one. The holes wouldn't line up on the back, even with the adjustment on the seat. So AD's managed to find out exactly what the toilet seat is apparently, and he's just messaged me to say that it's in stock. So I'm going to fly over now, grab it, so I've got it on the van, and I can swing into my mate's house and fit it as soon as I get a chance. So we'll fly over there and see if it really is the right one this time. Let's have a look. The 14th toilet seat. Also.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording you.
I've lost it. Is it there?
Oh, it's disappeared. Is this it here? No.
No.
Tried to get a replacement toilet seat, and this is going to be the third one. See if it's the right one.
I'll show you the back of it. Well,
I don't want to see the back of it. I want to see it.
see it.
Bloody hell.
Yes, where's that seat? Yes,
Got it. I found it.
Yeah,
Let's see if it's the right one.
oh, you'll never look at it, hopefully. This is the one out of that book. The other one didn't turn up. So, wide holes, rounded front, proper hinges.
What, the one that was actually meant to be the one?
Actually,
Never turned up?
yeah. That's it, that. Wide holes, rounded front, proper. You put the weight of it.
Oh, that's no problem. Look.
Oh. Nice. Look. The others are all there, aren't they? On the normal ones.
Were
I
they?
don't know why they do it on purpose.
Have you got tape? Yeah. To measure it.
Yeah.
Measure it.
Get on like the
It'll track it. That it'll track.
track. Yeah, it's what we got on the yeah.
Like it. Like my phone. What did we say? 321. Yeah, I think that's the one. That's going to be the one. Sorted.
Sit round us, kicks up on it. Plumbase and driver.
That sort of gig. Right, so this is one of the, well, this is the last rad that's going to go on this system, but originally it was going to go, we was going to have one over here, but we moved it to here, but I'm just not happy with how central that's going to fit. You're going to struggle to get connection down there on the valves, and that one's going to overhang. So what I'm going to, that's a 400, so what I'm going to do is swap that for a 300. So get same height, 600 height, swap it for a 300. and then you can just get access to the valves if need be either side a bit better. So I'll whip this one back down to Plumbase, get it swapped. Right, so that's the basin in, or the little, what do I call it? Noodle bowl. Noodle bowl in with the tap and the waste connected. Now, we've just run this up and we weren't sure if they teed that waste in the bottom of there into the saw pipe that they put in when they done the groundworks. And then the other week we noticed this waste out here. So I've just run it, and unfortunately that waste is from the basin. So what we'll do is cut in a strap boss into the stack there, and just run 1.25 inch pipe down the back there and connect onto there. It'll have to have a white mechanical elbow on it, but we can always paint that, spray that black if need be. But yeah, we'll just run that behind there, which isn't too much of a problem, to be honest. But yeah, that is the old copper 1.25 inch copper waste, so we'll cut that off. We'll have to put that on, and then obviously give that a little paint of black so it doesn't look too bad when we're connecting to the stack here. So there we go, bossed into the 4 inch there, around the back of the gas pipe, and what we're going to have to do is just give that a little bit of a spray just to blend it in, so obviously it stands out like a sore thumb. But it's just a shame that that drain wasn't put in there, but never mind. I mean, this is the back of the house anyway, so they're not going to overly notice it by the time they've, you know, sort of sorted this garden out and everything. I managed to find the little can of black spray paint, so I've done that elbow just for my own peace of mind. I know it's done. So yeah, we'll just test the basin shortly, and everything's good. Right, there we go. That's that little job done. I say I've got to swing back next week at some point and fit that rad on, just drill through the wall, connect on, lever valves done. That's ready to go. So I hope you liked it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, all the new subscribers, and I shall catch you on Sunday. Thanks for watching.